Okay, let's get Punky to laugh video. And here's our object, the jelly beans. Punky. Yeah. You like that, don't you? Well, yeah, that's so funny. Let's add your turtle in there. Look at your turtle. Yay! Oh, don't move away too far. Yes, it's so silly, isn't it? You're so silly. Yes, you are Mommy's good girl. Yes, you are. You are Mommy's good girl, and you're learning how to walk, and you've been such a good girl. Yes, and you love your turtle. And we just ate a huge dinner, didn't we? Yes, we ate peas. You weren't so sure about those peas. Yeah, I don't know if you knew if you liked them or not. And then we had sweet potatoes, which you loved, and peaches. Mmm. That's a funny noise, isn't it? Yes. Yes, it's such a funny noise. Maybe it'll tire you out before bedtime, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you just find that crazy. Well, well, what was that all about? That was a loud yell. Good girl. Mama loves you. Yes, Mommy loves you. Uh-huh. That's so funny. That's so funny. Well, we got you going, don't we? We really got you going, don't we? Yeah, that's so silly. And make some funny faces for the camera. Well, this is a pretty good one, I think. Arg! Aig! Harley! Harley! Aig! Arg! We are just all crazy today, aren't we? Aig! Arg! Moo! We saw a kitty today, didn't we? The kitty went meow, meow.